Today, the Ohio Theater has been awarded an Ohio Historic Preservation Tax Credit. It's Toledo's oldest continually running local neighborhood theater. By preserving the historic sites, you are preserving history. There is nothing like a building that can speak to the history of a place.
Behind every preserved space is an enormous amount of time and effort and determination and heart. Toledo too has a very deep passion for the arts, from theaters like this one, all proving that creativity is the cornerstone of the city's identity.
Theater and arts is incredibly important to the city of Toledo. The Historic Preservation Tax Credit is going to allow us to restore the masonry, the stonework, the concrete, to make sure that the building is safe and preserved for future generations, to really make sure that Toledo has something to be proud of when it comes to the Ohio Theater.